broken my plan.
They can't break your plans. Look at this, Miss Queen. I want to break my tablet. Oh, it's broken. The plans are in my mind. Let me break my plans.
But I don't know how to say it.
Good, so let me help you. For things that we can't really break, we can ruin.
Yeah. They must ruin my plan.
Your mirror, break or ruin. Good job. Your ideas, break or ruin.
Ruin.
Your cup, break or ruin.
Break.
Good job. Your dreams, break or ruin.
Ruin.
Good job. T-shirt, does it look like cotton?
No.
Good, so made of or made from?
Made from.
Good job. Made of or made from glass?
Made from.
Is this glass?
Made up.
Good job. Does it look exactly like wood?
Yeah.
Right, so made of or made from?
Made up. Made up.
Made of wood. How about paper? Made of or made from trees?
Made from. Made from.
Made from trees. Oh, what happened?
He lost his bus.
He lost the bus? Oh, look at my bus. Where's my bus? So lose when we lose things. When we lose an opportunity, what do we say?
Miss.
Good job, my class. Miss or lose?
Miss.
Good job. Oh, I can't find Celine. Oh, where's Celine?
You lost Celine.
You have a dentist appointment. What is a dentist?
Miss.
Yeah, good job. Money.
You lost your money.
Very good. Many money or much money?
Many?
Many? Are they the same? I can't count it together.
Much.
Good, good. Remember, many if they are the same. Yes, but they're not the same, so we can't count them. Much or many? Good job. Many what?
Many yen?
Yeah. Much or many?
Many dollars?
Very good, buddy. Very good. Much or many pesos?
Many pesos?
Very good. And the last one. Much or many?
Much money.
Very good. Much money. Ray, do you like foxes?
No. I don't like foxes. You.
I don't like foxes either. This is a bit difficult, so let's practice. I don't like homework. Me? Me what?
Me too.
No, me either. Me either. Ooh, I like money. Me?
Too.
Me too. Good job. I like playing on my phone. Me?
Me too.
Yeah. Ugh. I don't like peppers. Me either. Good job. Good job. Good job. What color are the shorts? Huh? It's?
Blue. It's blue.
Not it's.
They are
Yeah. They are blue.
blue. They are blue.
Is or are? Tricky, tricky, tricky. Remember, are. 2 parts. 1, 2. Yeah? So guys, it's, remember, 2 parts. Glasses, scissors, pants, shorts, 2 parts. So we say are. Scissors. Is or are?
Ah.
Yeah, because it has 2 parts. 1 part, 2 parts.